Okay, this is Magoko Poultry. The other day we constructed the brooder, and here we have like 100 chicks that we are piloting with to see whether the feeds are going to work okay, and we are going to install here like 2,000 chicks very soon. We are just piloting the issue of drought or cold, the temperatures in the room. We are seeing how the chicks are behaving. You can see the chicks are active. Let's see. Okay, during the day, these ones we are going to move them here. We shall move these ones to this other brooder. From here, as you can see, they have grown. Okay, look at how they are. These are just 2 weeks old. They are so good. But these ones, they are the ones that we've moved to the other brood, as you can see. These ones are just 4 days old. These are 4 days old. All right, 4 days old. We are going to move them to the other brooder. We are taking them here. This brood, as you can see, we have taken them here. We want to see how they are going to behave here. With the time, we shall also be adding like 2,000 chicks here. Okay, they're very active. Otherwise, don't forget to subscribe. You shall learn more about poultry. You will enjoy more about poultry farming. We just welcome you to subscribe. Naona zinatoroka. Okay, good. Karibu sana. Karibu. If you have any question, you can type, you can comment down there, down at the video. You can like and share our videos. Also subscribe for more videos to come. We are going to load here more chicks in the course of the week. Okay, otherwise, thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe. We love you. We shall get you more info about poultry production, diseases of diseases that attack poultry. Okay, good. This is good. Very well. It's hot. Good. Thank you. The brooder is round. When at this age they are supposed to feed all the time, the full time. Otherwise, thank you. Have a nice day.